morning everyone. This is Pankaj Sharma from Spark Foundation Data Science and Business Analytics intern. So we have given one task to use the prediction data using supervised machine learning. So in this task we have to predict the percentage of student based on the number of hours. The data sets consist of hours and scores. Simple linear regression we have used to utilize as this two variables. So we have inputted two data libraries, pandas and matplot library and numpy. So we have used the given link by Spark Foundation to get the data. So in the second step we have imported the data, and the data has been successfully imported. In third step we are framing the data into tables. So we have used data.head function. So now our next step was to find the relationship, and to understand the relationship we are going to plot a graphical representation between the hour studies and percentage scored. So for the same we have written the given block of codes. So in this what we have observed is we have find a positive linear regression between the number of hours studies and the percentage scored. So now what is our next thing is we are going to prepare the data, and we are dividing the data into attributes and labels. So we have used the given block of codes into block of code to divide the data into attributes and labels. Now our next thing is to do training and testing sets. So we have used these two particular blocks of code to train and test the sets. Now the third step, the major step, is to plot the regression line. So given is the regression line of the data set which is provided by the Spark Foundation to find the supervised machine learning. So now we are predicting the data which is given in hours. So we have used the print statement to print and predict the given statement. Now our actual versus predicted database. In this we are predicting and comparing the data with actual. So in first we have got the actual value as 20, but the real is predicted is 16. The actual was 27, we have predicted 33. Now we are finding the mean absolute error in the given data set. So using this code we have found that the mean absolute error is 4.18385989909002975. Query in task first. We have given that we have to predict score if a student studies for 9.25 hours a day. So we using this block of code we have get the value as 93.69173248937535. So our conclusion is the student who studies for 9.25 hours a day might get predicted score of 93 marks 93.69 marks. Thank you. This is Pankaj Sharma from Spark Foundation Data Science and Business Analytics